So as I was saying, say my mouth scenario be say what me say Ghana hano. Obiara fa formal learned people, just skillful people, creative or more creativity no more skill. What you say? Now, other scenario now me dey mountain so like me who say in this modern days Ghana, like they are more focused on formal education rather than the creative skill, which is very, very bad. And why? Because one ubeti I just say if learned people, most of the big offices are how many skill you don't have any like any mind and I say any skill about area at the end of the what you say. But I know say be a degree in be a master's in doctorate or a professor.
You see, that what's the shot? I say, formal education it comes with limitations. Limitations the brave.
And your limitation as such, but I mean, formal education, but when you feel,
and only limitations, no. It comes with so many limitations. And you know, na say, a duma or person away, right? The old person away, and then I can't want some of me, I say, I'm for be okay university Hanoma. Oh, na now, I say, I'm for be okay university program. I say impose you on them themselves. They don't know what they want to do. Say me artist. Now if I say me who draw, for example, me who draw, me nkoye dondology. Say if I say me ko university ni binti ama me dondology na maje. Me nkoye social so say me me ko university nti ma ama me social so na maje. Even in the arts no, me nkoye industrial arts, right? Painting and sculpture or how him say painting and sculpture or go there.
And you know, a waste of time to the youth and I say,
it is not waste of time to the youth. It is waste of you, the youth. One kasano, one what you want to do, what you want with your life. Your parents can force you to go to school, but they can't tell you what you want to do or you have to do.
But our parents shouldn't your school fees. Juma, query, a jack on toba, Juma. A jack on ton of hell. What you say? Now, better catch a jack on toss, a jack on toss, remember, the always senior the idea, maybe a physician, the boy. Well, soon would you say, I dare now impose on you. College now, unti